Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's Commodity Market Update with Jatin Trivedi, Senior Research Analyst with LKP Commodities. So for this week again we are seeing the bullions market running quite strongly as last week, and in fact from the last couple of weeks we have been recommending you guys to keep your long positions intact and create fresh positions whenever there is an opportunity on dips in gold and silver both. So now again this week the prices are still looking good after the opening on Monday's market that we have seen. The prices were holding the levels and looks quite convincing that the markets will keep on rallying till the time the supports are in place. So talking about the levels, the supporters which are going to take a crucial role going ahead in the week are at the levels of around 47,200 to 46,800 for gold on the downside. On the higher side, 48,500 to 48,800 will act as a resistance point. So buying on dips is strongly recommended at the levels of around 47,500, 47,600 odd zones. Now, speaking about the silver prices are continuously outperforming the gold prices right now. So again, it is advisable to accumulate silver on dips, and if you are having long positions, then you can hold those long positions till the time 71,000 is holding on the silver front. So as of now, if we look at the prices, the silver prices should be holding 71,000 for this week. If they might cross the levels below 71,000, one need not panic and wait till the time it is continuously not trading below 71,000. So precisely speaking, 70,500 should be your stop loss on any long position, and if the price is sustained below 71,000 for a couple of hours, then you need to exit your long positions. On the higher side, 74,000, 74,500 will act as a very strong resistance point. So one can look at having some good amount of gains this week in silver prices as well. Now moving on to the next part, which is the base metals. We have seen strong rally being witnessed in the base metals since many months now. In fact, every week we are seeing some strong performances from either of the commodity in base metal. On the whole of the base metal pack is running quite strongly, but strong outperformance has been seen from the copper, zinc, and aluminum prices recently. Recently, we have seen copper prices, scaling from 730 odd zones to 800 beyond this week after the market opening on Monday, and the levels are strongly holding till the time 785 786 is holding on the copper front. The bullish momentum will continue. It is a buy on dip market still, so one needs to be holding on to their long positions on a positional traders front. On trading perspective, one needs to take the opportunity whenever the market is on dip for buying purpose. The other commodity which will be in focus again for this week in base metals is the aluminum. See, aluminum prices have been very stably, rising on a very smooth rising channel pattern. It has not even given some many, negative hiccups in between also. So one has to ride this commodity smoothly without expecting too much of gains in one go. But slowly and steadily, we are witnessing at least 2 to 3% gains every week in aluminum prices since the last month or so. Especially from the month May has started, it has scaled smartly and steadily on the higher side. Now, speaking about the levels for aluminum, on the higher side, 207 to 210 will act as a small resistance point. Beyond 210, we can easily see the levels of around 215, 218 going ahead. And on the lower end, 202 to 199, that is a base support zone for this week. If the prices do fall below 199, then we can expect some further profit booking towards the levels of around 194 to 192. So that is a key important levels which one needs to be aware of. Now to the last segment, which is the energy SPAC. The crude market has seen some volatile sessions last week, where we have seen some profit booking from the levels of around 4900 to 4925 towards the levels of around 4700. But the prices have been respecting these levels of 4700 quite decisively and continuously that we have seen since the last few weeks. So going ahead, this range bound market will continue till the time it is trading between 4700 on the lower end and 4920 4950 on the higher end. So one needs to be taking this opportunity as a basing range trade between 4700 on the lower end and 4950 4925 on the higher end. uh, in case the prices do breach beyond this point below 47 or 4950 on the higher side, then we can expect some strong moves going ahead. The last part, which is the natural gas prices, they are still soft. We have seen a stellar rally in natural gas prices last month, so we are seeing some basing range trade in natural gas also between 210 to 220 to 25. So till the time these prices are trading between this range, one should not be expecting a big move till the time. So one can play this range of 210 to 222. So this is about it from me, guys, for this week. Hope to catch you next week again. Stay home, stay safe.